My name is Nishant, and I'm going to be your speaking examiner. What is your name?
My name is Vikas Bhatia, and you can call me Vikas.
Vikas. Tell me something about yourself.
Well, I am a construction manager by profession, and I work as a construction manager in Procter and Gamble, Baddi, which is in Himachal Pradesh. Presently, I am working from home because of the pandemic situation, which is ongoing, and I have around 8 years of construction experience, and I'm very well in doing my construction job, I guess.
Okay, Vikas, let us talk about clothes and special occasions. Okay, Vikas, tell me, do you like to wear different clothes on special occasions?
Well, yes, everyone likes to wear different clothes on special occasions because clothes are the one which gives us the more cool appearance according to the situation. Like there are many types of party clothes as well as some cultural clothes in cultural events. So yes, different types of clothes I actually like to wear.
Have you
Depends on
ever
the occasion.
worn traditional clothes?
Sorry.
Have you ever worn traditional clothes?
Well, yes, I have participated in many cultural events in my society. So there I have worn many types of cultural clothes, like from as we are from Punjab, we do wear Bhangra dresses in whenever there is a Bhangra event ongoing in the society. So yes, in these types of events, I have worn cultural clothes.
Okay, Vikas, let us talk about wildlife. Where do you usually see plants and animals?
Coming to the wildlife, I have never actually been to any wildlife sanctuary, but yes, I have seen much wildlife on Discovery because I like watching these TV channels. Because I'm a science background guy. Moreover, I do like biology a lot, but I didn't had a chance to study that because my parents actually wanted me to become an engineer. So yes, on Discovery, I have actually seen the wildlife and the plants a lot. But personally, I haven't got any chance to visit.
So, your parents wanted you to be an engineer,
Yeah.
and it was not your choice.
No, it was not my choice, but I was good in science. So my parents actually told me to become an engineer because at that very time it was just a trend, I guess.
Had you not been an engineer, what would have you been?
Well, personally saying, I had many other options in my mind at that very moment. But at present, whenever I think that biology interests me a lot. It just uh, provides a feeling that I should have given a choice to bio as well because I like medical science a lot.
Okay. Vikas, let us talk about vacations. Do you like vacations?
Well, yes, everyone like vacations, especially whenever there is a hectic schedule. And I had worked nearly for like every week I have worked a lot, and it's now being sometimes it's like I have a huge work pressure. So at that very moment, moreover, when I want to spend the time with my family, so that at that very moment I like to have some vacations or holidays which I can spend with my family and friends.
So, what was the last time you took the vacation?
I remember it was 2 years back. I went Nainital with my family, and it was around 700 kilometers drive from Amritsar. And I drove my car and went with my family, and it was a very cool weather there. We spent around 3 days there, and we saw a variety of climates. First day it was like foggy, full fog was there. Second day it was full of rain, and the third day it was like very sunny and very hot and humid because of the rain. So yes, that last 2 years back I went to Nainital and it was a very good vacation for me.
Let's proceed to part two of the speaking. I'm going to give you a topic to speak on.
Sure.
I'm going to be sharing my screen now. So, you have to talk about an occasion when you saw many people smile. You have to answer these four questions. I'll give you a minute to think about a topic and 1 to 2 minutes to talk about it. Please don't mind if I interrupt you in between.
Sure, sure.
Please start.
Yeah, smile is actually a very good way. I guess it is a very positive way to induce a good health in a person. There are many reasons when people smile. Some are smiling because of the good humor if someone has posed on, and the other reason can be a good joke which has been said by some other person. Well, I remember an occasion when I was in a party last month. It was a family function, and it was actually a birthday of my little brother. So we invited many of our friends and family. So it was his 16th birthday, I remember. And when we joined the party, actually we were a little late because of our because ladies actually have an profession of doing some makeup, and which actually gets takes too much time to do that. So we were actually late in that very party. And when we joined the party, I saw many people were smiling. Actually, I missed that very part of that why the people were smiling. But when I joined that party, I came to know that the people were smiling because of the cake which was placed over there on the table, and the picture which was basically made on the table. It was a smiley type picture, which was actually becoming a part of fun for other people, because it was quite weird, but not according to the situation. So it was actually a smiley was placed, and there was a small bindi over the forehead of the smiley. So I guess that smiley was actually making a bit fun. So that was the reason why people were smiling. And when I went there, I didn't had a clue that why people were smiling. I thought that they were smiling at me because I was late, and I have also actually made some wrong dressing, and there is some issue with me or my clothes. So, but when I joined there, I was like I have become a center for people to smile, and it was because
Thank
it
you
is
so
me.
much. Thank you so much, Vikas.
Yeah,
So you enjoyed the party.
yeah, I did, I did.
All right. Let's proceed to part three of the speaking. I'm going to ask you some questions relating to this topic. Should we start?
Sure, sir, sure.
Okay. What makes people smile according to you?
Well, there are many reasons. A smile can be induced if a person is thinking something else, or if a person gets reminded about something happened in the history, or that other can be a reason because if someone has thrown a joke to other person. So these are the many reasons when a person gets smiled actually.
Who smiles more according to you, men or women?
Well, women smile according to me the most because I personally think that they have a nature that if they uh, uh, give a glowing face or a smiling face, that would actually attract other person. So according to me, that's the reason why women smile more than men.
Okay. Do you think people smile when they take photographs?
Well, yes, it is actually the nature of people when the photograph is taken. It is also the said by the photographer that please smile. I have to click a picture. So yes, this is the most common way of people smiling when the photograph is taken, because the
So do you think,
photograph,
yeah, please continue.
yeah, because the photograph actually comes natural when a person smiles.
Okay. So do you think it is a good idea to hide your real emotions?
Well, yes, in public it is a very good idea because I guess people in society don't understand the other people's feeling and emotions. So just to prevent other people to make fun of your emotions, it is better to hide your emotions in public. But when it comes to private, it is not a point to hide your emotions with the family members or friends. It's better to share those emotions so that the pressure can be eased out from our head.
Thank you so much, Mr. Vikas. Your
Yeah,
speaking is over.
sure.
It was a
Thank you.
pleasure talking to you. Thank you.